Alteryx Designer is a powerful tool used for data preparation, blending, and advanced analytics through a visual workflow interface. Here's how to use Alteryx Designer effectively. Data input. Start by dragging an input data tool onto the canvas and configure it to bring in data from various sources like files, databases, APIs, or cloud services. Data transformation. Use transformation tools to clean, manipulate, and enrich your data. Each tool is configured through an intuitive interface where you define operations and criteria. Spatial and predictive analytics. Alteryx supports spatial analytics for mapping and location-based analysis. For predictive analytics, use tools like predictive tools or R/Python scripts for advanced modeling. Workflow design. Connect tools in a logical sequence by dragging lines between them to define the flow of data. This visual workflow design helps automate complex data processes without writing code. Output data. Configure an output data tool to save or export processed data to different formats or databases. You can also visualize results directly within Alteryx or export them for further analysis in other tools. Iterate and optimize. Run the workflow iteratively to validate results and optimize performance. Alteryx provides performance profiling tools to identify bottlenecks and enhance efficiency. Documentation and sharing. Document workflows with annotations and comments for clarity. Save workflows for reuse and share them with colleagues or stakeholders to ensure transparency and collaboration.